Good morning, friends. How are you? Do you know what is this insect or bird? Most people say it is a hummingbird, but I don't know for sure. So please let me know. Okay, so today I will talk about the common monsoon garden problem. We have uploaded the same problem video 10 months ago. Most of you liked that video and we are really happy for it. My mom tries a lot of practicals and the best one she gets, she uploads it on YouTube. Today I will talk about how to control garden snails by 100% natural way. The previous snail video that we have uploaded, we talked about 2 tips to control snails. In this video, I will talk about one more tip. We will update you after how much it is helpful after applying these tips. The first tip is the hand pick. Snails and slugs feed on a wide variety of living plants and decaying vegetation. As they eat, they create irregular holes with smooth edges in leaves, vegetables, flowers, and succulent plants. They also like to chew on fruit, foliage, and young bark of some trees, particularly citrus. And the most interesting thing is, these pests will often return to feed at night or on cloudy days, and they will completely disappear on a hot sunny day. My mom has noticed that they love to eat the peels of pumpkin, mango, cucumber, melon, or any citrus fruits. So my mom puts all these peels in the evening, and at early morning my mom notices a cluster of snails around the peels. That time she collects the peel and removes all the snails from her garden. If you do this tip for maximum 3 to 4 days, you will start to notice that the snails will disappear from your garden. Last year we got a huge amount of snails in our garden, and my mom used this tip for only 3 to 4 days, and we easily remove all the snails from our garden. Now I will tell the new tip. So the new tip is, when planting any plant, remember to dry the soil under the sun for 2 to 3 days. If you dry your soil under the sun, then any kinds of pests or fungus will be removed and killed from your garden. Most of you might have this question at mind. Do crushed eggshells stop snails? Crushed eggshells are little and sharp, and they would work to cut up a snail's soft body. And the snails would avoid crossing over the eggshell. But we are not 100% sure about this tip. But my mom applies this as it gives calcium to the soil and makes the plant healthy. If you haven't watched our old video about snails, so you can watch that video. Please subscribe to us, stay with us and support us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.